Here we are learning today about building a SurveyMonkey survey. So first things first, we're going to go to SurveyMonkey. We want to log in with our school account. You can ask somebody in the office or about our account details. We're going to, this is the home page. You can see all the different surveys that have been done. Then we create a survey. You can use a template. The number of templates is incredible. Whether or not they work is another thing. The format is limited to what they've already designed, but you can edit them. We're going to do something a little bit different though. We're going to create a survey. With any new survey, a little bit of preparation will help you avoid poor performance. We've got a title. We get this page, which is the editing panel. Like all things, you're going to come across a multitude of options. The number of questions that are available is quite large. We're going to search for the types of questions in SurveyMonkey and see if we can narrow the list down. Multiple choice with answers, many answers, comments, essays, rating scale is a good one, a matrix of choices with only one answer, a couple of answers, and so on. You can see there are a number of different types, and today we're just going to use a couple. So we have 3 tabs. We design the survey. Once it's complete, we collect responses, and the responses come in and we analyse results. When we're sending the survey, we can send it just by email or to a list of people. I'm not going to modify the theme, that's up to you. The title and the logo is straightforward. We can add any components you want. I'm going to go straight in and add a question. Prior preparation, as I said, prevents poor performance. So if you write a list of the questions that you want to have, I've written a list of the questions I want to ask and the types of questions I want to appear. I'm going to keep referring back to them. I'm going to choose a multiple choice question, only one answer. Cut and paste the question text in there. Another advantage to that is you can use spell check before you do it. I want to display my choices as buttons and the answer options. I've got 2. Oops, I've got 2. Don't know if that's how you spell, definitely. Didn't think so. So I'm going to leave it as it is. I'll just crank out a couple of questions and then put it together so you can see what it looks like. You can fast forward through all these, obviously. An essay question. You can require, if the question requires an answer, then the person can't move on through the survey without answering your question, which is quite handy. It saves those dud responses. A rating scale. A rating scale. That's it. Learning what we do at school prepares us for our future. So I'm going to use these choices. I think that's how you spell cooperatively. Oh no. Co-cooperatively. No. Co-cooperatively, that sounds pretty intense. Let's try that. No, I don't like that. So we're going to put on a rating scale. So I can add weight to the various labels. And then I can also have responses piped from previous answers. So if you've previously asked a question about a question, you previously raised a question, and the answer can direct the survey respondent to a more specific question, we can pipe a question. So a previous question might involve what they see as being important in their school context, and if they answered appropriately, a certain response, then we can filter them, pipe them down into this. But I don't want this to run too long, so I'm not going to do that. Matrix, but just one answer per. I'm going to display the choices as and the column choices. Sorry about that. Drop-down menus for the matrix allow you to really focus a respondent. Why it keeps doing that? Oh, there we go. Better put a question mark at the end of that. What are the best subjects you've studied in RHS? Obviously maths, English, science. TAS subjects are great. PDHPE, anything in Kappa is wonderful. The languages, of course, and anything in Whoosy. Apologies if I missed you. And I think that's what we're going to do. Cancel. Okay, so reviewing. Alright, that's looking okay. I could probably reduce the number of words in that one to make it. No, that's good. Now, at any point, if you want to change the order or focus or require another task to be done as a result of answering the question, you can slip it in there. So this is what the survey would look like when we've emailed it out. You meeting working? Yep. Blah blah blah. So this text here, I could probably format that better so it doesn't look like a stream of consciousness thing. Short questions are best, obviously. Homework. So that doesn't work. So what I should have done is put a subject there. So I'll go back and edit question 5. Question 5. So the row choices. I'm going to put in column choices. That might work. Yep. Okay, so we send a survey once it's complete. I can chuff this off to you guys in an email just by linking it, Control C. I can change it too. I can change it to make it look a little bit more user-friendly. If I was going to announce it in assembly, I might change it, lowercase, surveymonkey.com, or if I want to make it look more /attitudes, I can add it to the website. If I just put that in as an HTML line of code. Traditionally we've been sending them as a distribution list. Linking it to Facebook is okay, not so good for school, I suppose. And that's about it. Analyzing results. When the responses start to come in, they are listed here. And I thought what I might do is send one out to myself and show you what it looks like. Up it pops. And here I go. This is how I answer. No, just kidding. And then I go back to my collector details and analyze the results. And we can see, it doesn't really make any difference because there's only one person, but you can see the number of responses, you can see the exact words that are used, and more detail, have a look at where it came from, when it was submitted. So all of these things are really good at helping us to analyse. Anyway, I've run too long now. Thanks for watching. surveymonkey.com.au. Just give me an email if you get stuck. Bye.